And here with the Quicklert system, we get so much more. We're getting our PA system, it's the bells, it's also our clocks. Like I said, it's other things. We can have videos and streaming, two-way communications. We have that security content in there.
We love the security aspect that is that Quicklert brings to us, that we have eyes in the classroom if an emergency happens.
Well, I'm really excited about the technology. I think just being able to see and see the office, and they can see inside to where we are, is going to be just phenomenal.
Came in the beginning of last year, and my intercom is hanging loose, and the wires are sticking out. And now we have the Quicklert system. It appears to be top-notch technology that is going to be able to do all kinds of things.
Quicklert has been a great company to work with. It's an all-in-one product that gives me all of the security needs that I'm looking for, all under one spot. We're really excited to bring extra safety and security to the minds of our parents, our staff, and our students.